would like to welcome you all in the lecture series of Introduction to Python Programming. In this video, you will be learning about augmented assignment operators. We'll understand what is the meaning of augmented assignment operators. Yes, of course, the meaning of augmented assignment operator is nothing but it is actually called an in-place operator. The main purpose of augmented assignment operators are which are used to modify the values of variable with more precise, more concise syntax. And by using these augmented assignment operators, we can perform the operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and many more. Let's see what do we mean by augmented assignment operator with the help of some examples. And I'll be familiarizing you what about the symbol. You may get confusion that what is the meaning of that augmented assignment operator? What is a symbol? Yes, I'm here to help you out. Moving on to the discussion. The first type of augmented assignment operators are like a plus minus. You can see like a plus minus. The plus minus operator, it is mainly used for appending the element. You can go for like appending the element. You might have studied about one command called appending when you are discussing with working with the list. Now here, no need to worry. We have like a plus minus. If you see plus minus, it is one of the augmented assignment operator, which is mainly used for like appending the element. You can add. Okay, yes, of course. We have two list. One is my list, 1, 2, 3. Then we'll be using like my list plus equal to 4, 5. Ultimately, if I print my list right now, my modified my list will be like 1, 2, 3. Then 4 and 5 is going to be added. I hope you understood. So by using plus equal to, the addition will be performed. Addition of list. That means you can go for appending the elements. It is possible to go for appending the element. Another type of augmented assignment operator is star equal to. Use star equal to operator to repeat the elements of a list. If you want to replicate, replication operation. So we have the my list 1, 2, 3. Then I am using like a star equal to 3. Star equal to 3 means this list is going to be replicated thrice, correct? Yeah, so that we can see one time, second time, and third time. Thrice it is going to be repeated. Ultimately, the my list become 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. There are 9 elements. Okay, the list is going to be replicated thrice. In this session, we have studied about what is the meaning of augmented assignment operator and how to perform like appending, then replication by using augmented assignment operator. If you are watching this video first time, I request you to subscribe, and the video is useful to your friends and colleagues. I request you to share this video and support me. Thank you so much for watching this video. Happy learning.